Hello students, I hope you all are enjoying at home and enjoy your studies also. Today we will discuss about the uses of two words, that is has and have, and make sentences with the help of these. First of all, in your notebook, write date on the left above side of your page and write a day, the day which you are doing this work on the right side of the page. Then heading will be concept and the uses of have and has. Write the heading neatly and properly. The first word is have. Have is a word which we can use with two types of sentences. First type of sentences, a sentence which started with I, in which sentence we talk about ourselves. Second is the other type of sentences are those sentences which uses nouns or pronouns which are more than one in number, such as these sentences start with word we, you, they, or plural nouns. We already read about it. We, you, and they, these words are used for more than one person. And the last one is plural nouns, the naming things or something which is more than one in number. Therefore, the word have is used with two type of sentences. First sentence which start with I, or second type of sentences which start with nouns or pronouns which is more than one in number. I think you all understand about it. Second word is has. Has is a word which is used with one singular noun or singular pronoun. For example, he, she, it. All these three words used with one person. When we talk about one person, we use has. Or the other thing is singular noun. For example, Ram, uh, or we can say that sham, or we can say that elephant. These are singular nouns when we talk about one type of thing or one type of person. Such sentences uses has. Let us recall it again. Have is a word which we can use with two type of sentences. First type of sentence which start with I, or second type of sentences which started with plural nouns or pronouns. Plural noun, we can also say that examples are bushes, or we can say that cakes. These are more than one in number, therefore we use have with it. And the second word is has, which is used with these type of sentences in which we talk about one thing, one person, or singular nouns. Now, to understand these words more properly, let us take some examples to understand it clearly. The first sentence is I have two brothers and two sisters. Here, the word started with the word I, and we already have read about it. With I, we use always have. Therefore, we use have here with I. The second word is my dog has a bushy tail. Here we talk about the dog. The dog is one in number, and we already know about it. When we talk about singular noun or pronoun, we always use has with it. Therefore, has is used in this sentence. The third sentence is she has a beautiful dress. She is used with single girl which is one in number. Therefore, we use has with it. The fourth one is we have new shoes. We is plural noun, therefore we use have with it. The fifth one is Mohan has a pet monkey. Here we talk about Mohan, which is singular noun, therefore we use has with it. Next is sixth, it has long ears. It is also a singular noun, therefore we use has with it. You have to understand it clearly that has is used with singular nouns or pronouns, and have is always used with plural noun or pronoun. The seventh sentence is they have many friends. They is plural in number, therefore we use have with it. Next is you have a bottle of water. We already read about you in the previous concept, that you is used for plural nouns. Therefore, we use have with it. Next sentence is a donkey has singular ears, small ears, sorry. Therefore, the donkey is 1 in number. The word a is already show about it. Therefore, singular thing we use has with it. The last sentence is he has a new dog. He is used for a boy, which is 1 in number. Therefore, with singular nouns and pronouns, we use has in this sentence. I hope you all understand it clearly. Now practice it some more.